Creating a program that displays any GIF animation on the desktop or over Windows using C# and WPF. Searching for GIFs with transparent background. Open a web browser and navigate to Google Images. Enter a search query to find GIFs with a transparent background. Download the required GIF files to your computer. Creating a new project. Open Visual Studio. Create a new project, selecting the WPF application template. Give the project a suitable name and choose a location to save it. Adding packages via NuGet. Open the NuGet Package Manager in Visual Studio. Install the Notify Icon, WPF and WPF animated GIF packages for your project. Adding an ICO icon for the tray. Add an ICO icon to the project, which will be used for the tray. Configuring main window.xaml markup. Open the main window.xaml file of your project. Add the following namespaces in the XMLNS section. Title, window title. Height and width of the window, respectively. Allows transparency equals true, enables transparency for the window. Background equals transparent, sets a transparent background for the window. Left and top, define the initial position of the window on the screen. Window style equals none, removes standard window controls such as title bar and border. Topmost equals true, sets the window to be always on top of all other windows on the desktop. Show in taskbar equals false, hides the window from the taskbar. GridX, name equals main grid, defines the main grid where controls are placed. Grid.context menu defines the context menu for the grid. It contains a single menu item, close, which triggers the close menu item click event handler upon clicking. Taskbar icon source equals icon_16.ico. Tooltip text defines the tray icon with the icon_16.ico and tooltip text hello world. It also contains a context menu for the tray icon with 2 menu items, Add and Exit. Clicking on them triggers the corresponding event handlers Add menu item click and Exit menu item click. The C# code represents the main window class in the WPF application. Let's go through each method and its functionality. List window dynamic windows equals new list window creates a list dynamic windows that will hold references to dynamically created windows. Also, a flag first iteration is created, which is used to determine the first iteration when adding images. The constructor initializes the main window of the application. Event handlers for key presses, key down, and mouse clicks, mouse left button down, are set up. Main window key down method handles the escape key press. When the escape key is pressed, the window is closed. Close menu item click method handles the click on the close menu item. Main window mouse left button down. This method allows the user to move the window by clicking on it with the left mouse button and dragging it. Exit menu item click. This method handles the click on the exit menu item. It closes all dynamically created windows, clears the dynamic windows list, and closes the main window of the application. Add menu item click. This method handles the click on the Add menu item. It opens a dialog for selecting GIF files, creates new windows for each selected GIF file, fills them with images, and adds them to the dynamic windows list.